may enter. Hello, my name is Paul Smith. In 1687, Newton published his 3 laws of motion. What are these exactly? Well, let's find out. Newton's first law of motion, things can go on forever and ever and ever until a force acts on it. Newton's first law of motion is the law of inertia. This law states that an object at rest will stay at rest, and an object in motion will stay in motion. This is taking too long. Now the second law. Before we talk about Newton's second law of motion, we need to talk about balanced and unbalanced forces. Balanced unbalanced. These two weights both have an identical mass. When I put one on each end of the pulley, are the forces balanced? What do you think? Yes, they are. If you said no, you're horribly wrong. They're at different heights. Are the forces still balanced? What do you think? Yes, they are. If you said no, you should probably watch this again. But if you said yes, we can move on to Newton's second law of motion. In Newton's second law of motion, wherever there's an unbalanced force, acceleration occurs. Alright, back to the pulley. We want to add an unbalanced force to one of these sides. But how much is that force exactly? In Newton's second law, force is equal to mass times acceleration. So, F is equal to the mass of the weight, 0.001 kilograms. And the acceleration of gravity is 9.8 meters per second squared. So, when you multiply that out, your force is equal to 0.0098 newtons. Wherever there is an unbalanced force, acceleration occurs. This is a demonstration of Newton's third law of motion. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. When the ball pushes on the wall pushes back. So when it pushes back really light, the wall pushes back really light. But when the ball pushes on the wall really hard, the wall pushes it back really hard. So that's Newton's 3 laws of motion. Hope you learned something.